Do you want to get Nitro? Then watch this full complete video. If you don't, then don't complain about not getting Nitro. Subscribe to this channel in the meantime so that you don't see a ghost at 3 a.m. Discord has announced that they will be giving everyone free Nitro yet again. Discord has been doing these sponsors for a while, and there is also a way to get Nitro 3 whole months. Yeah, I am not kidding. 3 whole months. So before I tell you how, you should first check the requirements for this offer, because as good as Discord seem, they aren't really giving Nitro away to only select few people. Don't lose your hope just now, because you might be the one who can get Nitro from them. Here are the requirements. This promotion is not available in the following regions: Syria, Ukraine, Russia, Iran, and North Korea. If you receive an unknown gift code error during the claim redemption process, you are not eligible to redeem this promotion. Users who have had an active Nitro subscription or Nitro trial in the last 12 months are not eligible to redeem this Nitro promotion. Users who have had a Discord Nitro subscription at any point on their accounts and have had a Nitro Classic or Nitro Basic subscription in the past 12 months are ineligible to redeem this promotion. If a user has had a Nitro Basic, Nitro Classic, or Server Boosting subscription active on their account and they've never had a Nitro subscription, redeeming this promotion will override that subscription. Users who have already claimed a gift from this promotion are not eligible to claim further gifts from this promotion. If you are eligible, then here is how you can redeem Nitro into your account. Go to this website and download this application. If you happen to already use this application, you will be given Discord Nitro for 3 months instead of 1. So install it and then open it up. Look for the Discord Nitro reward callout in the app sidebar, or visit the subscription rewards page in your Wand account. Select Claim now on the Discord reward card to generate your unique redemption code. Then press Redeem to be redirected to Discord's redemption site. I can't do this because I do not have a Windows account, so sorry for that one.